It's K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. Disney Plus Wonderful World held an online press conference on February 29, 2024, introducing their main characters starring Kim Nam-joo, Cha Eun-woo, Kim Kang-woo, and Im Se-mi. The storyline for this K-drama is a contradiction compared to its title. Wonderful World will tell the story about a mother who decides to pursue justice on her own when the legal system fails her, following the tragic loss of her son. Wonderful World has the character deal with her anger and grief as she becomes involved with people in the same predicament. Kim Nam-joo will play the role as Yoon Soo-yoon. Cha Eun-woo will play the role as Kwon Sun-yeol. Kim Kang-woo will play the role as Kang Soo-ho. And Im Se-mi will play the role as Han Yuri. Wonderful World is an upcoming South Korean TV series, a revenge drama, thriller, and mystery, starring Kim Nam-joo, Cha Eun-woo, Kim Kang-woo, and Im Se-mi. It is scheduled to premiere today, March 1, 2024, and will air on MBC every Friday and Saturday. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.